Let's explore different latte art styles today. This is Tulip Free Pour. You perform this latte art with the back to forward movement of the picture. Back to forward movement. This is Fern Free Pour. You perform this latte art with the side-to-side movement of the picture. This is what occurs when you do a Fern free pour to the side of the cup. It will give you an interesting effect. You can combine Fern with Tulip free pour styles. My last tip: if you are working as a barista in a cafe, do not take too long to do the art. Otherwise, the coffee would be cold by the time the customer gets his coffee.
Goodbye, and this is fine. Goodbye, and this is fine. Goodbye, and peace is quiet.
Sekarang nak record ni?